Such a beautiful morning. A good hour of gentle rain. I have been working on a couple of projects since March. This ahead of me was flagstone mini patio to tie into the pavers where the bench sits. And it was an off and on project. It isn't like I set out to finish that in a few days, but rather it was an hour or two here and a few minutes there. I brought home the stones, 2 or 3 at a time. A few hostas. I think I have 140 hostas of many varieties. I have a garden flag. I have everything but a lighthouse. Oh, that's a great idea! Why didn't I think of it? But if I may chat a bit about this, I no longer make the produced videos that I used to make on iMovie, where I could add music, or sound effects, and transitions, and interesting editing. After 140 of those of various qualities, because I was just starting and taught myself, I really didn't get much interest. Nobody ever said, "Oh golly, what a wonderful little movie maker you are." Although I've had over 100,000 hits on those, or some reaching 15,000 just for one or two, I have now decided to give it up and just go the cheesy route using a cell phone. I always made fun of people who did that, thinking, well, that's just tacky. that's just so lazy. That's so lame. But it's who we are now. Everybody does these little cheesy videos, and so I have joined the ranks of the cheesy and cheap. I will no longer make actual produced videos or movie trailers with me in them. Oh, they were a lot of fun, but they took several days to make. Now I just pick up the phone, I walk around. If it's 3 minutes, 30 seconds, then that's just exactly how long it took me. So I don't waste any time and frustration. But isn't this pretty this morning? We just got a little rain. And I'm wandering, as I often do, without any particular plan.